what a day. It's been like this all week. Overcast and cold. Temperatures right now, what is it saying? 57 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's warmer than the last few days, but still feels a little bit cool. Anyway, I'm out on the RS, as you can tell, and this is the first time that I've been out on it, other than since I picked it up from the dealership, where they changed the Cardan shaft. So it's got this new redesigned Cardan shaft on it, and according to the maintenance schedule, they're going to be changing it every 36,000 miles. Bike has got just over 61, well, it's closer to 62,000 miles actually, and it's got this new Cardan shaft. This ride is more or less just to see if you know, if I can detect any differences. I didn't expect to detect any, and I have not been surprised in that respect. There's no differences that I can tell. Of course, every time that I ride the RS, compared to the Tiger, it feels so peppy and zippy, and you know, so it's hard to tell if there was any change from the old shaft to the new shaft. But there shouldn't be any, because the old shaft, last time I checked, which was at 60,000 miles, was in great condition. It was lubricated and put back in, and yeah, so there was no slop in it, so there should be no slop in the drivetrain right now. Well, there definitely won't be any slop now, it's a new shaft, but yeah, there shouldn't be any difference. But what a difference riding this bike versus the Tiger is. Oh my god. For one, I've got much less wind protection on this bike, which means it's a better bike for summer. Not to mention the fact that the boxer engine does not give off as much heat, because it doesn't have those two great big fans blowing the radiator heat onto your thighs as with the Tiger. This is an oiled and water cooled boxer, and it doesn't have those radiator fans, so you don't get that heat blowing onto your legs, which means which means in the winter time it's not as nice to ride in the terms of natural heating. The Tiger is really nice to ride in the cooler weather, because it's got that natural heating there to keep you warm. But hey, it's a motorcycle, you can't have it all, right? But yeah, the power on this thing, man, it's so nice. Just wants to go. Let's twist the throttle in any gear and you're taking off, you know. As usual, there's nobody here, which is just how I like it. We had a lot of rain this week, so the ground is probably a little bit soft. I'm debating whether to just stay on the concrete and do what I gotta do. Maybe I'll stay right here. Gave the bike a good workout. Everything is going well, knock on wood. New Cardan shaft, didn't fall off. Joke. Anyway, had the bike up to about 110, 120 just then, and everything was smooth, nice, so it's performing as expected, not a concern. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you like it, consider giving me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, leave a comment in below, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep the shiny side up, stay safe. Talk to you later.